Hello traders, we're back for a second video, a second trade possibly on the roadmap. This will be the second roadmap signal for the day. The first roadmap trade, if you missed that video, you can check the link in the description. You can watch that video. It was a winning trade, profitable trade. It was a short signal, 41.28. Now, will we have a second roadmap sell signal? I don't know. I'm thinking we are because the market hit the roadmap zone and now it's reversing off of it. Before we begin, remember that trading is risky. Please don't trade with funds you can't afford to lose. There are risks involved with trading. So what are the rules here for the roadmap? What are we looking at? Well, I like to keep it simple. I don't want to overcomplicate things. So the first thing we're going to do is look at whether or not price trades inside of that roadmap zone, which it did. The second rule is going to be whether price reverses off of the roadmap zone or goes through it. So in this case, it's reversing off of it. That means that we're setting up for a bounce to the sell side. The third confirmation would be whether or not a signal on the software, the roadmap software, which is based off of those zones, is going to appear. So I want to make sure that there's a signal using the software to indicate, yes, it's time to go short, and at that point I can go short. Now you learn all of these methods and so much more during the live training that's included with the roadmap software. Remember, I want the market to go down, I want the market to go short, and I will wait until that signal appears in order to go short. So that's how we're setting up right now. Now, lastly, we have to think about our protection, our stops. If the market does provide a signal to go short, where will our stops be? Well, typically I like to use a pivotal stop or a stop just above the zone. So right there is the signal. I see a short 41.3350. I want to go short at 41.3350. And so I'm short. Within a couple of ticks is fine. You can go in at market. You can use a limit order. I like to use market if touched orders. But now we're short at 41.33 and a quarter. I got a tick off of the price because I used the market if touched order. Now remember, the protective stop, I have a stop which is based on a pivotal stop or a stop just above on the opposite side of the roadmap zone. So always have a protective stop. Now the other thing I want to talk about is how long we should stay in these type of trades. With a time-based stop is an element of limiting the amount of time that you're in a trade. So if this trade lasts for an hour, there's no reason for me to hold on to this. If the market is going to do something, it's either going to hit my stop or it's going to hit the profit target, which is 41.3075. So I don't want to hold on to this trade. I want to see an immediate result. I entered for a reason, and I want to see that reason happen sooner rather than later. The other thing that we have to be careful with is news. We had news earlier in the day, so if there's a signal right as the news occurs, I always recommend waiting a bit until the high priority news events. Usually they're listed as a red star, red text, red flag on any news calendar. Now, the exact signal 41.3350 is important because we're not guessing where we want to go short. I want to go short specifically at this price or better. So whether you enter at a market, limit, MIT, try not to chase the trade. We want to be able to enter based on the signal, the software, the roadmap software provides. Now you see a new roadmap zone appearing to the short side. That means that if the market continues lower through that zone, then I want to be able to take another short position, or if it hits that zone and reverses off of it, then I want to go long. But for right now, the market made my profit target. It landed like a magnet right into the other zone here to the short side, and now it's another wait and see game. Will the market go through it? I will then continue with another short position, or will the market bounce off of it? I don't know. Again, the software will provide an opportunity to go long, but it looks like, as you can see, it already penetrated it by a tick. So right now it doesn't seem like the market wants to reverse. It seems as if the market wants to go lower. Okay, so this is how we use the roadmap zones. If you have any questions, visit DayTradeToWin.com. We include the roadmap software with the mentorship class, whether it's accelerated or one-on-one. We also include the roadmap software as a standalone software with a yearly license or a lifetime license. Give us a call Let's make sure this is right for you. Until next time, good trading. If you're new to day trading and want to learn more on the benefits of trading the markets, visit DayTradeToWin.com, join the next mentorship class starting later this month, and subscribe to the Day Trade to Win YouTube channel. We focus on price action and work exclusively with new and beginner traders who want to learn more on how to prosper from trading.